Welcome back to Chef the Soul TV News. Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Bafethu ngibingelele nginamukele uma umusha ngicela ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe, uphinde ke ucomment, ulike futhi yona le video. Nathi ke bafethu enye ke esingibuyela nayo ethinta kakhulu ke uthando nesithembu. So into ke eyenzakalayo ukuthi ke vele sisemaphethelweni ukuthi ke ishow kube iseason yokugcina le noma ke kuba episode yokugcina ke iseason. So into eyenzakalayo lapha na kule reality show ukuthi ke umusa ubonakala ke ene-clash kakhulukazi ke namakhosikazi akhe ngokwehluka kwawo. So khona la akhuluma khona noMayeni, simbona uMayeni behavior yakhe khona la akhuluma khona futhi ke noMakhumalo akhuluma futhi ke ngoMakhumalo khona ke, and then ke konke lokho kugcine ke kodwa kuholele ekuthenini kuba neyinkinga. But then ke nansi ke source yethu la sikutholela khona ke lolu daba MSN and also ke ku Briefly News. So the reality TV star lapha ke also known as ke singathi ke polygamist Musa Mseleku has confirmed the season 8 finale of Uthando Nesithembu. Mseleku trended on social media on Thursday mhla 1 May evening when he mentioned Makhumalo's infertility and had a fallout with Umayeni. So the business man took to his Instagram account on Thursday 1 May to thank South Africans for supporting the show. We also saw I think this video iyona ke abakhuluma ngayo lapha ke abathi ke itholakala ke ku Instagram where ekhuluma ke echanza kabanzi ke ukuthi ke abantu abaningi vele they think he is talking about infertility ke yakhe ke umama lapha ke uMakhumalo, yet yena ke engakhulumi ngayo, ekhuluma ke something else yabo. So abantu ke kushuthi ke uthi ke ngaleso sikhathi ke they got it twisted, meaning kahle kahle ke abahlaziye ngendlela ke wrong. So the South Africans took to his social media post to critique him for mistreating his wives on the reality TV show, which seem to be not true according to him. If khuluma ngale yandlela leya akhuluma ngayo, and then ke that means ukuthi ke yena ngokwakhe akuyona lento ke abantu ke abakhuluma ngayo, but abantu ke bamkelekile ngokusho kwakhe ukuthi ke bebeke ke imbono yabo eyahlukahlukene, because even into ke ayibalulile ukuthi ke even ngisho iqala ishow bakubeka ngokusobala ukuthi ke abantu sebe decide labona ukuthi ke bayaqhubeka nesithembu noma bengaphila yini ngaphansi ke kwesithembu noma cha. So ekugcineni kwakho ke lokho kushuthi ke wa conclude yena ngokuthi ke kushuthi ke labo abaphikisana ke nezinto eziningi ke ezisuke zenzeka khona of which futhi ke zenzeka leso ukuthi ke ingoba vele kusesithenjini, meaning kushuthi labo bantu labo abasoze bakwazi ukuthi ke baphile khona esithenjini. But then again, there are so many comments regarding yona ke episode le yokugcina noma ke episode ebeyandulela ke eyokugcina noma ngingathi nje ama episode lawa ke okugcina ke yabo kuyona ke iseason. So lapha ke enye ama comments by Uchichi ithi ke you are such a real person, Mayeni so through you. The word they use is a bit harsh, so I cannot pronounce it on this platform. But then again, that was not loud enough. So meaning okay. Ethuka yena ke unkosikazi wakhe okay kuyona le episode we saw backlash lapha ke naye uMayeni, if I'm not mistaken. At the same time lapha bese kuba khona ke uJabu uMcDonald naye ke responded to this comment ethi ke Musa's biggest mistake is meddling in his wife's issues. Some things don't require his involvement, and now it seems like he's the one causing them to fight. Very true. This is a very good point, Bafethu yabo. At some point iloko ke kubukeke yabo, because I saw one of my comments lapha ke actually ama comments nje athe ukuba maningana, but then again in different forms yabo, in different statements, but then they mean the same thing. Uma ke uthatha ke ubheka kuona lama comments uyabona ukuthi okay abantu abaningi they are now assuming, or they are now getting to a conclusion saying that Musa Mseleku could be the one ogcina ke eba intruder eyintweni ke engamele ukuthi ke abe intruder kusona, and lezo zinto lezo zithinta ke amakhosikazi akhe wonke, and gcine kube ngathi ke futhi ke uye owenze njani ke onenhloso yokuthi ke axabane amakhosikazi akhe noma ke owaxabanisayo amakhosikazi akhe. Basho kanjalo ke nalaphayana ke, of which ke that comment or that point was very valid yabo. So okay, abanye ke baqhubekile ke nokuphendula ke noma ke ukukhuluma nje in a form of dialogue laphana ke uthi omunye ke you know you don't need therapy, the show is no longer interesting, the toxicity is way too much, love and light. Okay, sometimes there's something that people don't understand, especially viewers at home. There's something that you guys sometimes don't understand. Okay, reality TV shows are reality TV shows, yes. Ngokwe nature yawo yabo, that's what they were made for, reality yabo. But then again, as the time goes, as the reality or that show grows foot again, there must be a form of drama that is happening in order for when to be interested. Hence uthola abantu abaningi now yabo ukuthi ke okay, they are there manje ke babambelele kuyona le show, kunezinto futhi ke abakhomentayo ngazo le show, iyona into vele sokufunwa ishow leyo yabo ukuthi ke kukhulunywe ngayo yabo. But then ke ishow I'm not sure if aim yayo manje kuveli wisha kakhulukazi indaba ye drama kuphela nje yabo. There's a lot of things that people ignorayo and then focus on drama yabo. I think thina as viewers in public nje we tend to forget ukuthi ke okay, what was the aim, njengoba nayo ashilo ubaba umsele kulaphana ukuthi okay, the aim of the show was to do and was to show abantu lokhu nalokhu, but then again the decisions are going to be made by bona abantu yabo. So abantu public iyona ikhetha ukufocusa on one side, because phela ke nikhumbule ukuthi ke kunabantu abawu-director lama shows lawo yabo, okungenzeka ukuthi futhi kunezinto ezigcina izibhalwa to spice up yabo. If you have watched izinto efana no Housewives of Durban, you will tend to understand ukuthi okay fine, laba bantu laba in as much as belapha benza yonke lento abayalaphana, and le show ibizwa nge-reality show, doesn't mean ukuthi everything that is happening there is reality yabo. Kukhona ukuthi ke kube no spice up kancane ke kwezinto, but then again going forward bafethu you may think abantu ke badinga uncedo in terms of therapy and all, but that are the views vele ke abafuna ke nwafake emphakathini. These are the views abafuna vele ukuthi ke nwashare nomphakathi yabo, because ke if kuukuthi nje bavele bona bayikhuluma lento lena nje yonke into right nani, I don't think abantu abaningi benga interested. Kushuthi bengazitshela into kungathiwa kuportraywa something that is not there yabo. At some point, let's say nje there's no drama lapha kulona ke uthando nesithembu yabo. Do you think ngabe ke ku right yonke into ngempela even in reality? So guys, I think nathi ke njenge-public kumele ke ezinye izinto ke sizibuke ngenye indlela. But then again, Mayeni seems like a very unpleasant person to be around, and every time she has an issue with something, she wants to bring up everything else that's offended her. Now she's going back to the issue of being called delusional again. So yes, I think that's one of the things futhi abantu kumele ngabe bayafunda kuzona, enye ama personalities of which is not accommodatable yabo. If ubuka nawe kumuntu nje onormal, it's very wrong to always accommodate isimo esinjengalesana, while ungakwazi futhi ukusiconfronta and tell that person ukuthi okay fine, why are you always doing this instead of lokhayana njalo njalo yabo. This is a very good point futhi to mention la kuma comments. Going forward bafethu Miss laphana ke bathi thickness laphana Miss thickness uthi yena I can see where Sneh lent her lack of accountability. Why couldn't he just apologize to Mayeni and show empathy that he hurt her feelings? Kusho yena ke lo assist lapha yana ke okay ngamanye amazwi ke bathi ufuzo liyadlulela kungenzeka ukuthi usine akabongi nje it because ke nobaba wakhe vele ukanjalo. It's the comment, it's not me saying that ama views abantu asikwazi ukwaphikisa. So bese kuba ke uLesedi wakushiza lapha uthi ke every time Makhumalo doesn't agree with uMusa, he will raise the fact that she can't have kids all the time. What a weak man. Kusho ke lapha ke uLesedi. Okay, mbono wakhe naye lo njalo. So yeah, bafethu injalo ke indaba. I'll read all these comments because ke mancane yabo. I'll never feel sorry for uMusa, and when Mayeni works him usile lo tata, what he said about Makhumalo is so out of pocket. I don't like the way Musa spoke about Makhumalo. Okay, most of my comments also are going back to that Makhumalo case. Bese siba ke no Michelle wakaphahla laphana ke who responded to the comment that was above yakhe. Leo comment lapho ibit I don't like the way Musa spoke about Makhumalo. Her not being able to conceive is not by choice. Okay, she wanted to conceive through IVF, but instead Musa went and impregnated a 20-year-old he later married. Right. Which wife did Makhumalo undermine quite throughout the season? Now he's trying to poke her on the last episode so they can start another season using her weight again, okay, against her. Right, guys, injalo indaba Mthando Nesthembu, and that's how kuphele ngakhona. I don't know why abantu baku case kaSiyacela, because if we're talking about izinto ama-shows njengalawo kuzohamba khamba vele siyifake nendaba esencane lengane. I don't know why abantu ke they poke too much their nose on indaba ke yelentozana yesencane lengane as a TV show, while there is some form of izinto ke nje esinga complain ngazo na kuyona ke indaba yothando Nesthembu as a reality show, TV show. Bakhona bakhalayo, bakhona badubayo, khona la kune language connect ke ikhulunywe yabo unga understandwana njalo nje. Yonke leyo nto ibonayo lapha yana, it's a form of drama that is being directed by abantu ke abama directors eshow yabo. Phela nikhumbula ukuthi ke behind the camera khona abantu abama directors, khona abantu vele kumele bayivumele izinto ezithile, khona abantu vele ekumele futhi sometimes obathola ukuthi ibona bayibhalayo lezo zinto ukuthi ke zibe included lapho. So South Africans, I don't know why understand at some point this is entertainment after all, but then again at the same time in a form of educating abantu ke abathile yabo. If ever ubona something bad happening we show, doesn't mean ukuthi wena kumele ke uyilontozana leyo nto leyo uyenze yabo. You will see the results leyo nto ukuthi vele awabanga mahle kwi show, therefore wena ke why are you still doing leyo nto leyo? At the same time going to indaba yeingane ukuthi ke izingane zizokhula kanjani ke le show le iphazamisa ke even nengane. Why ubuka le show nengane? Because it is written lapha yana at some point ukuthi okay parental guidance is advised. Why ubuka I show owazi kahle ukuthi ngeke izibeke izingane zakho kwi advantage ukuthi ke zikhule kahle or zizophazamiseka at some point. You don't have to watch I show enjengaleyo ke with izingane. So all those things